Hey, hope you guys are doing good and welcome back to the channel. Today I will be telling you how to send money from Chime to another Chime account. So let's just get right into it. So they do have this all-in-one GIF onto their platform that explains pretty much it. You can see you need to add your card details once you enter into Chime. So in order to send, if you want to send it to another Chime account, of course you can add that card number as well, and you can see your money is going to be delivered. So if you have an account, you can do the same exact process as well with any other Chime account holder. So yeah, this is actually pretty easy. You can do it with any other cards as well. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, guys, and for more videos you can also keep following because we are constantly uploading helpful videos.